Hey y'all, today we're going to make some easy chicken fajita pizzas. I've started with about 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 large chicken breasts that I'm going to cook in the pan until they are browned on both sides. And I've just sliced these into smaller strips. Once these are finished, I have a red bell pepper and a green bell pepper and 1 onion that I have sliced. I'm just going to cook these up until they soften a little. Sprinkle it with taco seasoning. Add a little onion powder, a little black pepper, and we can't eat it without garlic powder. Just going to let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the vegetables soften. I've got these corn tortilla shells that I put on a baking sheet. Now I'll take the chicken and vegetables and just put some on each tortilla. Top it with cheese. And I'm going to bake these at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Perfect, easy supper. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all next time.